So hi guys, in this video I am going to talk about semantics of preposition logic or semantics for preposition logic. So what is a semantic? Semantics for preposition logic can be defined as rules for determining the truth of a statement with respect to a particular model. So what is semantic? They are rules for determining the truth of a given statement with respect to a particular model. Suppose we are taking a truth model, then every statement is going in a truth sense. Or suppose we are taking a negation model, then every statement should be converted to the negative statement, and then according to that model rules can be defined. So semantics define rules for determining the truth of a statement. So how this semantics work? It works in a 5 state, and or you can say there are 5 different rules which makes this semantics for determining the truth of a statement. First, interpretation of preposition logic. Like for truth symbol, T symbol is used, or for false statement, F symbol is used. So how we are going to represent, or what is the interpretation of a preposition logic? For any truth symbol, we can say T value will be given, or any false statement, F value will be given. Computation of truth value. So how we are going to compute this truth value? Suppose there is a two statement P and another statement is Q, and we are taking the connective AND, P and Q. If both P and Q are true, then this complete preposition will give the result true. Or suppose if one of the statement is false, then this preposition will going to give the result false. Now coming to the third, that is truth table. In truth table, we are going to represent the different set of values of different elements. Like for element A, we have true, false, false, and for B, true, false, false. And if we are combining A and B, then if both statements are true, then A and B is going to true. If one of the statement is false, then definitely this statement is going to be false. How? Suppose Ram is a boy and he is well mannered. Suppose he is well mannered, then we can say A and B, then it will be going to be true. Suppose it is like Ram is a boy but he is not mannered, then it is false, because we have already declared Ram is boy and he is well mannered. Suppose we are taking well mannered as a truth, then if it is written that it is not well mannered, then we can say this statement is false. Then combination of this statement will be going to give the result false. So this is how we make the truth table, and we now define the sets of result based on this. Validity. Valid statements are also called tautology. Suppose in the truth table, any combination of A and B, suppose we have any combination of A and B, and at the given the truth table value for all elements is T, then it is called as topology. When every statement is true, then we can say that statement is valid and it is a topology. Satisfiability. If this statement is satisfying the given set of model, then we can say that statements are satisfiable.